In this class, we are going to learn about arrays in C programming language. So first and all, what is an array, how to define an array, how to create an array, and also advantage and application we will see. An array is a special variable which can hold more than one value at a time. An array is a collection of similar data elements. These data elements have the same data type, and array are the derived data type which can store the basic data type or primitive data type such as int, character, double, float. Okay, now let's see the declaration of arrays. We know we have already seen that every variable must be declared before it used in C programming language, and the same concept holds true for arrays variable. An arrays must be declared before being used. Declaring an array means specifying. Look at the syntax of array. Type, name, size. Type, that means data type. Name, that means array name, and size. Okay, so data type, that means the kind of values it can store. Example, int, character, float, double, etc. And name, that means to identify the array. Okay, and what is mean size? Size means the maximum number of values that the array can hold. You can see this example, int, this is the data type, and marks is the array name, and 10 size of the array. So let's see the next. Here we look at int data type, then array name 5. We are already initialized the value or data elements in this array. Okay, this is the static declaration. Okay, so this is the creating of an array. How to access the element of an array? How to access the element of an array? In arrays, the elements can be accessed randomly by using the index number. Index number, that means this is the first index 80, that means the index 0. Then marks 1 is the index 1, marks 2 index 2, then index 3, index 4. Okay, this is the index value. So here marks, this is the array name, then index value 1. What is the value of, then these locations are data are 60. What is the value of index 3? 385. This is the index. So this statement access the value of the first element in marks. Variable name, that means array name. Okay, and marks 0. 0, that means first elements. So this is the initialization of array and also declaration of array and how to access an array. Now see the advantages of array. An array represents multiple data items of the same type using a single name. Okay, we know it's randomly accessed by using index number, and it's also used in implement, linked list, stack, queues, trees, graphs. Okay, and it's also used in two-dimensional arrays for use to represent the matrix. So this is the advantages of array. See the application of array. Look at point 1. Array stores data elements of the same data type and maintains multiple variable name using single name. Okay, and it's also implement for or sorting technique for bubble sort, insertion sort, selection sort, etc. Use array to store and sort elements easily. An array can be used for performing matrix operation. Array can be used for CPU scheduling. So what is the scheduling? Scheduling refers to the set of policies and mechanism that an operating system supports for determining the order of execution of the pending job and process. So what is the scheduler? A scheduler is an operating system program that selects the next job to be admitted for execution. Okay, and it's also increase CPU utilization and to increase the throughput. Lastly, array are also used to implement other data structure like stack, queue, heap, hash table. Okay, how to use of an array in C programming language. So let's see the next videos.